everyone, another project here that I want to use not all, some, it's scary, of my little piece of fabric everywhere. This is like not even 1/10 of what I have. So I'm going to use some of them today. And I use the heat and bond interfacing, the one with when you iron, after you iron, you peel this off. I hope you understand what it is. So I will list in my description so you can have a look. This I have two. And we're going to do two exactly the same. So I'm going to put one away. And then you're going to do exactly what I'm showing you. For the first one, you do exactly the same. Not, you know, fabric wise is not the same, but anything else the same. So fold this in half. And then you open it. So that you have half and half. The half right here, you're going to, let me just do this so it won't curve. Alright. So the other half here, you're going to fill with little piece fabric all around. That just like that, and go all around. So go ahead, everyone. This is good to get your stress out. Do something fun. Alright, let me just flip it there so it can stay down for me. And if you want to, little at a time, you can just iron it down so it can stay down for you, and then you move on to the next one, and next one, and the next one until you're finished. When I have a little bit like that, I don't want to go crazy. I'm gonna go and iron on it like that, so it can stay down just for now to hold it for me. And then I move to the next, and the next, and the next. Make sure you only go on the fabric. Make sure your iron don't touch the interfacing. So everyone, this is the first one I finished. Half of this, okay? You're going to do another one exactly like this, everyone. So now that this half that we fold earlier, we're going to flap over here, and then we're going to iron it. Clip out the fold. I mean, you have your free hand to move this. And now you're going to iron on top of this, but go very, very slow from the fold. Like that, okay? Go slow. Turn it down. Don't turn the iron too hot. The extra that hanging around here, you can cut this. You don't have to, but it just bothered me, so I have to do this. Alright, so now when you're done, it's thicker, it's really good. So take one side of the paper. You can just peel this out. Look at this, everyone. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. Make sure you peel the paper halfway. see how beautiful that is? That is so pretty. And now get the scissor and cut half of the paper, because I show you something and I want you to know why you're not peeling the whole thing. So not for now. Eventually you're gonna peel the other side. This one you fold it out. Fold one corner to that. That's why I need the paper here still, so you can see what I'm doing. Fold it this way. On the side, up, mark 2 inches. And on the side here, 3 inches. Connect this. You're going to do exactly the same, 2. And 3. Cut this out. Alright, so now when you open this, you have something like this. You go on to fold this way, okay? And so when you fold this way, everything made up so nice, you see? I just want to make sure. I'm gonna clip it right there so everything will stay down for me. And now you're going to do exactly the same with this 2 inch and 3. Connect. You'll have this. Isn't that so pretty? Do the second one. Okay, fill this up with the fabric. Fold it, iron it. After that, you can put this right on top and cut this out, so you don't have to measure again. So everyone, this is the second one I finished. So now I'm gonna place this on another way. Remember, I didn't take out the paper yet. So you go into this way, and then you go into trace and cut. From that pointy right here, everyone, so you're going to mark 1/4 of an inch like that. Now you're going to fold these two together. Keep the paper on for now. You see the line that you mark 1/4 of an inch, you're going to sew from here down to the 1/4 of an inch and go all around, do exactly the same. So from the top down to the 1/4 of an inch, down to here and down to here and down. So exactly the same thing to this one. Do exactly the same. 1/4 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, and then put in together like this, and then sew. So everyone, after I sew on the 4 corners, around, and this one too, so feel free to take the paper out. Very easy, just pull it out. You know, when you leave it on, the sticky of the interfacing was stuck right into the needle. It's hard for the fabric to go through, so that's why I leave it on to sew. And then, you know, it just take you a few minutes. Second, not even a minute. Putting together is hard, but rip it off really easy. So everyone, after you finish out the paper, you go on the inside out just like this. So everyone, after that, you turn in this side, the wrong side out, and the right side like this, okay? And I'm going to place this wrong side touching the wrong side, and then right side facing out like this. Make sure all the lines here are touching together for both of them. I'm using bias tape to go around. So I'm using the gold by tape here, and I fold about a quarter up, and this is very thin, it's not too thick, that's why I'm doing this. No need to be fancy. And then I go to the end at the corners here, and I place it right on it. I don't need to be fancy for this, it's super easy. And then from here I'm gonna go place it here, and I'm going to sew around this on the top here. Everyone, just go little like that, and then you're going to clip it down, and then you're going to sew it the whole thing all around. So look how cute that is. It's so adorable. Make sure when you put the fabric on the interfacing, overlap. Don't leave any gap in between. You're not supposed to see any of that. 2.5 inches. So beautiful. Look at that. This is the way that you can use all your fabric. Little one. Stay safe and take care, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and watch the video to the end. See you next time.